Up next on Good Taste, cook like an Italian in your own kitchen.
With a little pressure, very good.
Pasta lessons from a celebrity chef. You'll want to nosh every last bite at this spot. Then, meet the champion pitmaster serving a juicy barbecue and a famous cheesy tater tot casserole. Plus, in H-Town, a ramen revolution made even better with a splash of Japanese whiskey. I kind of get it now. Good Taste starts right now. Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tanji Patton. Each week we travel the state to bring you fantastic restaurants. This week we're going to start at a cool place in the Alamo City, a great spot where uptown dining upstairs pairs perfectly with a little Italian noshing downstairs, all courtesy of a celebrity chef. It's the best of both worlds at Silo Elevated Cuisine in San Antonio, where dining upstairs is upscale with awe-inspiring American classics. Downstairs at Nosh, a cozy Italian-style neighborhood bistro with sensational salads, pastas, shareable plates, and those amazing truffle fries.
They're very good.
One of the things that we had tonight was the chicken fried oysters, and they were absolutely amazing.
Plus, there's a nightclub next door at the Silo Bar. So much excitement under one roof. Back at Nosh, it's a cozy, modern trattoria with exposed brick and a small open kitchen.
We love Nosh. This is a neighborhood place. We come here about 2 or 3 times a month.
Sure, regulars like the laid-back feel at Nosh, but the star chef is also an attraction. Chef Luca Della Casa was a finalist on Food Network Star. Whoa!
It's good, right?
Yes, it's like garden fresh. I mean, these flavors are amazing. Amazing flavors indeed. Whether you're nibbling on the wild boar pizza, layered with roasted tomatoes, red onions, braised wild boar, fresh mozzarella, and chive-infused sauce.
How much you like it?
Oh, I love it. Or noshing on the rustic maltagliati pasta with Spanish chorizo, sautéed onion, fresh spinach, and a rustic house-made pasta, showered with fresh Parmesan. Or my favorite, the signature shrimp salad. So this is the dish I get pretty much every time I come for lunch.
Yeah, you know this very well.
A simple yet zesty creation with farm-fresh tomatoes, cucumber, basil, and a red vinaigrette. Going back for more.
Good choice.
When I think of you, I see you in an Italian kitchen, and not a giant kitchen, but just something cool and cozy and just doing your thing. And that's, to me, kind of what Nosh is.
Patrick Richardson, when he asked me to come enjoy the Silo family, he told me, I have Nosh, there is a beautiful space, you know, it's like a white canvas for you. I want you to come in and express your type of food.
That's Italian-inspired, simple yet fresh flavors, prepared to perfection. This is, I guess, an appetizer.
Yes, correct.
But it is, there's so much flavor, and it's fresh, too. The tomatoes, the zucchini.
Absolutely. I think that the secret is that we're trying to use a different product through the menu, a lot of vegetables that make it different, you know, one dish from the other. And at the same time, we try to stay authentic Italian.
A fresh take on old world tastes, no doubt inspired by Luca's hometown, Torino, Italy.
The passion for cooking was born when I was grown enough where I was seeing my family cooking a lot at home and interacting a lot with family and friends, hosting all the time.
Those family meals inspired Luca to pursue a culinary career, working his way up from dishwasher to line cook.
I started from the very beginning, peeling potatoes, you know, and vegetables.
And ultimately to executive chef, eventually landing in San Antonio, where Luca and his wife have adopted a few hairy kids.
Finally, when I set up here, I was like, now I'm gonna start, you know, growing my pack. I always been in love with dogs, and now we get 5.
Luca is the leader of the pack upstairs at Silo 2, where world-class cuisine takes center stage, starring super fresh seafood flown in from Hawaii and mouth-watering prime steaks, topped here with grilled Maine lobster on a bed of farm-fresh sautéed veggies.
We offering like a contemporary American menu, you know, great seafood, great steak offering, and beautiful dessert that we've been carrying over the years, like the coconut pie.
I got a ravioli lesson from the master, starting with the dough, made with 4 simple ingredients: eggs, olive oil, flour, and salt.
And with the rolling pin, you want to just create like a sort of rectangular shape.
You wanting me to do this?
Yeah, it's very easy.
Luca folds the sides in to create a straight edge and runs it through the pasta press, over and over and over, until it reaches the right thinness.
And what do you call this?
This is like a pasta sheeter.
Seeing if I can trip you up.
Yeah, oh gosh, I know. We want to push it down a little bit and make space for the filling. And at the same time, we try to anchor the dough to the edges of the ravioli.
We filled it with lobster. One more roll, and we've got ravioli. Look at that.
You can separate them and toss them in boiling water. They're going to be cooked in 5 minutes and ready to go in your sauce.
Simple, fresh, and delicious. Just the way Chef Luca wants every meal to be, whether you nibble at Nosh or dine in style up at Silo.
Food brings us all together.
Absolutely.
Food, a good glass of wine, we're there.
Salud.
Chef Luca is such an awesome guy. Coming up, talk about a shot of energy. Asian fusion kicked up a notch from this talented, fun chef. I kind of get it now.
Scary good.
But next, the cheesy tater tot casserole and award-winning barbecue that's turning heads in the Hill Country. We'll save you a seat at our table when we come right back. Good things come from Cisco.